Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Dodge Durango wiper blades. First, ensure your vehicle is off and the ignition is completely disengaged. Gather your tools, which typically include a small flathead screwdriver and a soft towel. Carefully lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it stands upright and locks into its service position. This prevents the arm from snapping back. Place a towel on the windshield directly beneath the wiper arm to protect the glass from accidental damage. Now, let's detach the old blade. Look closely at the point where the wiper blade connects to the arm. You'll usually find a small tab or button on the underside of the connector. Press this release tab firmly. While holding the tab, slide the entire wiper blade assembly down and away from the wiper arm. It might require a little gentle force, but avoid excessive pulling. The blade should slide off the J-hook or pin easily once the tab is depressed. Once the old blade is removed, carefully lower the wiper arm back down, but not all the way to the windshield. Keep it in the upright service position or gently rest it on the towel. This prevents the arm from accidentally springing back and cracking your windshield. Take a moment to inspect the wiper arm itself for any corrosion or damage. Now you're ready to prepare your new wiper blade for installation, ensuring it matches the correct size and attachment type for your Durango. To install the new blade, reverse the removal process. Slide the new wiper blade onto the J-hook or pin of the wiper arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Give it a gentle tug to ensure it's firm. Carefully lower the entire wiper arm back onto the windshield. Repeat these steps for the other wiper blade. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Test your new wipers with some washer fluid to ensure they operate smoothly and clear your windshield effectively.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.